You did the hard part. You decluttered, the space looks amazing. But a few weeks later, things start creeping back in. If you've ever wondered why that happens and how to keep your space feeling calm without constantly reorganizing, this video is for you. Welcome back to our mindfulness bucket list. And today's prompt is practice a 5-minute daily reset of one space in your home as an act of self-compassion. That's right, a daily 5-minute reset of one space in your home as an act of self-compassion. So let me share 4 other really fun but relaxing mindfulness tips with you. Are you ready? Okay, you can just replay this video as many times as you need to, take a few notes if you want to, and I'm going to just sit and relax and do a few things while I share these tips with you. Tip number 1, give everything a room you actually like. So what do I mean by that? Clutter usually isn't about having too much. It's about things not having a place that feels easy. If putting something away feels annoying, then your system needs adjusting, not more willpower. If that resonates with you, then definitely write that one down. Okay, tip number 2, keep containers slightly underfilled. What do I mean by that? When drawers and bins are packed to the brim, they become fragile systems. A little breathing room makes it easier to put things back and easier to notice when clutter starts sneaking in. So if you open a drawer, you open a bin, and it's filled to the top, doesn't that immediately give you a sense of overwhelm? You can't even find what's in the drawer. You don't even know what's in the drawer. So if that one resonates, then pause and write that one down. Tip number 3, create tiny reset rituals. Instead of waiting for mess to build up, try a 5-minute reset at the end of the day or the week. Think of it as a kindness to your future self, not a chore. So that pairs hand in hand with the mindfulness bucket list prompt. Tip number 4, let your space support the season you're in. Your needs change just like the seasons change, and your space should too. So what worked during decluttering might need small tweaks now, and that's not failure, that's growth. So let's tie these tips all together. So this week's mindfulness bucket list invitation is simple. Choose one small space and give it 5 minutes of gentle care. Do you think you can handle 5 minutes? I think you can. I know I can. No perfection, just presence. Notice how maintaining your space can become a grounding ritual instead of another task. So if any of these tips resonated with you, share in the comments which space you're choosing for your 5-minute reset. And if you're walking this mindfulness journey all year long, subscribe so we can keep creating calm, one compassionate habit at a time together. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope that you will definitely continue on this journey with me. Pick up the mindfulness bucket list calendar in my Etsy shop. The link is in the pinned comment and in the description below. And I will see you Wednesday for our weekly slow stitching or junk journal project. And don't forget to tune in the last Wednesday of the month for our new collaboration series of upcycling clothing with my friend Linda. Okay, thanks again for tuning in. Stay creative and calm, taking one day at a time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.